Good morning everyone. In the previous lecture, I explained you about evaporation and boiling. Now we have to take another term, fusion and melting. Fusion is a general term, whereas melting is a technical term. Fusion stands for conversion of solid state into liquid state. Melting it is a process of changing the solid state of substance to the liquid state on heating at particular temperature. Melting point of a solid is that temperature at which a solid melts to become liquid at a standard atmospheric pressure. For more understanding, let us take particle model of matter. According to particle model of matter, interparticle forces among solids are more stronger. Upon heating solid particles, kinetic energy increases. Particles of solid become more energetic and they have to leave their mean positions. When temperature reaches up to melting point, fusion takes place. At this stage, solid state is converted into liquid state. During this conversion, whatever the amount of energy is absorbed, that remains hidden, which does not increase the kinetic energy of particles of solid further, as well as temperature, but conversion from solid state to liquid state takes place. This amount of energy is called latent heat of fusion. Here latent means hidden. Higher the melting point, stronger are the interparticle attractive forces among the particles of solid. Next term, sublimation. Sublimation is the process in which a substance changes from solid to gaseous state directly without going through the liquid state. According to particle model of matter, in some of the solids, interparticle forces are weaker. Upon heating, particles gain enough energy to become free from interparticle forces and behave like gas. They start moving rapidly in all directions. For example, iodine, camphor, dry ice, naphthalene, ammonium chloride, etc. They, upon heating, changes into gaseous state directly without going into liquid state first. Next term is condensation. Condensation is the process of changing the gaseous state of substance into liquid state. For example, windscreen and door glasses of car become foggy in winter. Why? It is just due to the condensation of water vapors present in the air. According to particle model, particles of liquid release their energy on cooling. Their energy becomes low. Interparticle forces become stronger and they bring particles together at a place. Further, when particles collected, they appear as tiny drops of liquid. On further cooling, these drops merge and gaseous state is converted into liquid state. Next term is freezing. Freezing is a process in which liquid state of substance is changed into solid state on cooling. For example, water is cooled below 0 degrees Celsius and become ice. Then, this is the temperature of freezing point of water. Freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid solidifies at standard atmospheric pressure. Here solidifies means liquid state converted into solid state. as the term solidify stands for solid. According to particle model of matter, particles of liquid slide and slip over each other. On further cooling, they reduce their kinetic energy. Interparticle attractive forces among the particles of liquid become stronger and bring the particles closer. On further cooling, attractive forces win over the kinetic energy. Particles of liquid fixed at their mean position and vibrate at their mean position only. By this way, liquid changes into solid state. Freezing is the reverse process of melting. Next term is deposition. Deposition is a process of change of vapor directly on cooling into solid without first changing into liquid state. This process is the reverse of sublimation. Substances like ammonium chloride, dry ice, naphthalene, camphor, iodine sublime on heating and converted into vapor directly undergoing the liquid state. But on cooling, vapors directly solidify without going to liquid state. It means to say that in deposition, vapors are directly converted into solid state.